This is the Levo Cook Mortar and Pestle set, and this is made of real granite, 100% real stone. And this is all you receive. You're going to be receiving a double-sided mortar, as well as a double-sided pestle. You're also going to be receiving this wooden spoon, as well as this lid that can also double up as a placemat too. How perfect is this? But if you want, you can also use it as a lid. Perfect. Now, this is made of 100% of granite, and there's two sides. This is the shallow side. As you can see, this is shallow, and this side is the deeper side. This is perfect for crushing herbs and spices like peppercorn, oregano, and if you want to make some pesto, this is perfect for basil and salad dressings, curry, and so much more, like guacamole too. This is so simple to use. All you have to do is put your favorite herbs and spices inside and then crush it up. This is also great for garlic paste. And then once it's crushed, you start rotating it until it is the grinded texture that you're looking for. How perfect is this? I was sent this from Levo Cook and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.